What's going on with your headache?
It sucks.
How badly?
How badly?
It's so bad.
It's so bad that it feels like an elephant is crushing my head.
Wow.
With your fat all sitting on top.
Oh, we would hate to do your mama jokes.
I'd get smashed again.
Smash the homie.
Clayton, give us a rant.
A rant about smashing homies.
Yeah, give us a rant about smashing homies.
Smashing a homie.
Smashing homies.
You know, when a woman starts smashing homies, it brings into question domestic violence.
Smashing homies.
You know, many people believe that domestic violence is just a man beating a woman.
It's not.
But it goes both ways. That's a stigma. All right?
Yeah.
And that's sexist.
She smashed a homie. I just like saying that. It's off of Ray J's Something of Love or whatever. Some other stupid reality show where a wannabe celebrity gets a whole bunch of promiscuous girls together and they do stupid little events for love. Listen, if you're competing for love, you're not in love. Love isn't a competition. You don't jump through hoops for love. When does that ever apply in the actual marriage?
No, he doesn't know, but that's a sexual term. Yeah.
Like you would know.
Honey, we're gonna go to the kitchen. This is what I want you to do. To prove your love for me, I got this hula hoop and I'm gonna light it on fire. What you're gonna do is you're gonna jump through it. And if you get burnt slightly, that's okay. Because I have a paralegal in the closet.
A paralegal? How's a paralegal?
Yeah, how's a lawyer gonna help?
How is
You're looking
a
for
lawyer?
paramedic, man.
Oh, legally, you are okay. Legally, it's all right. Nobody can get sued in this situation.
A threat to justice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere.
Sure,
okay?
we'll prosecute him for you,
Okay.
but first we're gonna need to let our battery empty.
We're gonna have to look at these jokes.
Can you pull down your pants?
It's like, if we're
What was that last part? What does that have to do with anything?
Because they were like, hey, admit to this crime. Admit to it. And they'd be like, no. And they'd be like, what about now? They'd be like, no. Be like, and then they'd be like, okay, all right.
As long as you
Okay.
say something in music.
Something immediately.
That's good.
She was busy smelling Lamborghini.
You, say something funny.
No.
If you say something funny, I'm going to punch you in the nose.
You ever notice there are no white remixes?
White people remix the song.
What song have they remixed?
It was called Smooth Criminal.
They did not remix it. They just used the
It was a
same.
cover.
No, it has the same lyrics. It just has different beats.
Remixes?
That's a remix.
No, remixes have a
Remixes
same
have different lyrics.
Oh,
They
really?
have no remixes sometimes. Have
Hey,
heard the
you stay back there where you belong.
Oh, he just dissed all women everywhere. You gonna take that? I wouldn't. This is 2010. Slight slap to the side.
That'll take care of you.
That hurt me
Get out of
emotionally.
here. Clothes flash. It's so appropriate.
Around here. White. What? Shirt wearing people. We don't like it.
We don't like. And there he goes with the beatboxing again.
It's about every 2 minutes.
And this guy. And then this guy comes around.
This guy right
And
here.
then this guy.
This guy
And then
right
this
here. Why'd you cut off the afro?
Because it itched too much. And you know, I'm still getting questions about that. Ever so often, I'll
You
get
had the
somebody
best
who comes
afro ever,
No,
dude.
I didn't. It was
I don't
like
even remember
all
you
of-
having an afro.
It was freshman year. I had it like 6 inches. The reason I had an afro was because I wanted braids. Every braid cost $10, so the place I went to put my braids right next to each other, super thin, so they could get more money out of me. So it basically looked like my hair, except it had streaks in it. So it was really itchy, and I couldn't get in between the braids. So I'm sitting in hours hitting myself like this. Just and they're like, Chris, why are you hitting yourself? My head itches. I can't even scratch. This is ridiculous. And then it comes loose, and it looks like something's coming out of my head with the tanglers. It's not okay.
It's not very nice.
See you later, Roderick.
So,
Why couldn't you put it
bye, Roderick. Bye,
I said prick.
Bye, Roderick.
Funny part is that's not actually his name. It's
We just call him Roderick.
we call him Roderick. Trying to keep rap. I don't want to rap in every one of my videos.
You didn't rap in the last
Have been
two.
monopolized by rap
'Cause
videos.
it don't-
This one isn't monopolized by rap videos.
Yeah.
This
No,
one
but
is
I don't want it
mostly
to
not
be.
rap videos.
I don't want it to be in it. Period. Because then it won't be special. Like if you get cake every day of your life, then cake becomes irrelevant. It's not as delicious as it would be
Right.
on a
You
birthday.
get a full cake sometimes, but then other times you only get a little piece of cake. It's much more delicious.
Yeah, but it's still not as delicious as holding it off.
Sure it is.
It's like being a tease. I'm being a tease to the people on YouTube. Yeah, you're annoying people, man. Come on. Get it together. Yeah, get it together, man.